Hey guys, hope you're doing well, hope you're staying warm. I don't know what part of the earth you're from, but it is cold here in Texas. And I was not prepared for that when I moved here. I thought it was gonna be a little warmer, but we're having a little bit of a cold front, so I'm dealing with it. Anyway, I wanted to go over why you need enough protein, or why you need protein in your diet, what it means for your body, and how to make sure that you're getting enough of it. Stick around to the end and I'm gonna show you guys a really simple, easy recipe, an easy way to make sure and start your day out with enough protein. So I'm sure we all know by now that protein is actually the building block. We need it for your bones, for your muscles, for your skin, for your cartilage, for your blood. So there's really no way around that. We have to make sure that we're getting enough. So as far as in breakfast and starting your day out with enough protein, I see a few different types of breakfasts, and maybe you fall under one of these categories. The first one is the meat eater, the person that maybe has too much protein, that's got like, you know, the bacon, the eggs, the cheese, and while that all sounds delicious, it's so bad for you, it's so fattening, so not good for your arteries, so do not do that anymore, okay? Something like that, I mean, I wouldn't honestly suggest eating like that at all, but if you've got to have a treat, save it for like once a month or once every couple months or something like that. Now, the next type of breakfast that I see is like the donut eater and the sugar eater. And I've even seen people eat or drink soda for breakfast. I don't even know what to say about that, but don't do that, okay? Don't start your day out that way. Not only are you gonna gain weight in the process, it's gonna make you super hungry all day, and you're gonna actually in turn eat more. So do not start your day out with sugar and carbs and no protein or hardly any protein. The next type of person that I might see is maybe someone that has like a nice healthy bowl of oatmeal, and that's pretty much it. Like, there's no protein in it. There's only a minimal amount of protein in oats, and it's not enough to sustain you for the day or for the beginning of the day. It's certainly not enough to ward away like cravings and prevent you from like snacking like crazy all day and making bad food choices. Studies have actually shown that you are supposed to be getting around 25 to 30 grams of protein in the very beginning of your day to actually help you with maintaining and even losing weight. So I would probably recommend the 25 to 30 grams to start out with. Make sure that you're getting protein with every single meal and snack. And a great way to measure that so you don't have to count calories is with the palm of your hand. So the protein source should actually be no bigger than the palm of your hand, not including your fingers and your thumb. And it's about the thickness of that as well. So it's just a great, easy way to measure the amount of protein that you're getting. You know, and with snacks, obviously less than that, just a small amount of protein. Now, protein, yeah, you can get too much, but I've seen more or less people actually not getting enough. The most important thing that you need to do is make sure that you're eating balanced. So make sure you're getting those veggies, make sure you're getting a protein with every meal, make sure you're getting a healthy fat like avocado, you know, any type of, you know, small amount of mixed nuts, olive oil, something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and head to the kitchen. I'm gonna show you an easy, super simple way to actually get protein the very beginning of the day. So what I do is I heat up a 1/4 cup of the unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and then I actually use my stupid handheld blender because I broke my frother. If you guys know of a good frother, let me know, because I've already broken 2 of them. They just don't last for some reason. What I have here is some monk fruit from Smart 138, and I love this company because they keep it natural. Another thing that I have from them is the collagen peptides. It's 70 calories for a scoop for those that are counting, and it's actually 18 grams of protein. I only use about 1/2 a scoop in the morning. So what I do is I blend the 1/2 a scoop with the monk fruit in the heated almond milk, and then after I blend that, I add in the coffee, and it turns into this amazing protein-filled latte, and it's so delicious. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the demonstration, and for those that are coffee lovers like me, this is a great, easy way to start your day with protein and to make sure that you're starting your day out right. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. And make sure that you hit the notification bar. That will actually make sure that you get notifications on my future videos. But I need to go ahead and get out of here. I need to take care of the dogs. I hope you guys have a good afternoon, and I will see you guys next time.